Guys, good morning and welcome back. All right, so in this video I want to show you how to sew the kids short that has a elastic at the back and rope in front. So you must have watched the video I made yesterday on the drafting. So this is the video of the sewing. If you like the video, watch through to the end, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and also practice, and also subscribe to my channel so that you'll be getting much videos just like this. Let's get down to the sewing proper. So now the first thing you are doing here is to put the pocket. Now the pocket, you must make sure you start from this very point and stitch the pocket area. You know, the lining has been cut and the lining measurement is 10 inches by 10 inches. Then stitch inside from that direction and then cut your threads as shown, then slash cut your thread as well, and then you cut off the excess lining underneath. You must make sure you notch it very well and then cut it out from this direction. Cut from here. Make sure you're cutting like not too close to the threading point you made. Then after which fold it this way and then stitch it less than half of an inch. I use my machine footer to gauge that size, right? So once you stitch it all through that way, you cut your threads as well, and then you hold down the lining points in this form. So you fold that point, then stitch it down on the lining. So this is how to fix the front pocket. Then the next to do is to put your pocket facing. So you bring the pocket facing and place it in this form. The pocket facing could be 4 inches width by the length of 10, depending on the depth of your pocketing you have. Then fold it all through. So that pocket facing could be either weaved or folded, but weaving is better off. It gives you a neater finishing and result. So make sure you hold it all through this way and stitch it all down to this very point. So when you have sewn the pocket facing from here, the next you will do now will be to lock the pocket. Cut your threads as shown, and then turn it over the other way around, as you can see how I did it, and then lock from the down part. Give it a curvy stitch. Use half an inch from there. Curve it all through. The curve will now meet the notched point of the pocketing right? So once you notch it to that very point, you cut your threads. So you trim off the excess pocketing this way, trim it out, and then cut off all the excesses here. Then push the lining inwards just like this, and then you now top stitch. So the top stitching is very important. It helps to relax the pocketing and also reinforces the pocket to be stronger. Then you cut your threads as shown, and you are done fixing the front pocketing. The next to do is to lock the up area where it connects with the waistline. So here you balance it properly as well, making sure that you have the same notch measurement you have or you had. So you just stitch here down, stitch it down by half of an inch, sew it down that way, cut your thread, and then you also arrange the up area and stitch the up as well. Then you go ahead to trim off the excesses all through that way. So we used a notching of 2 inches notching for the up pocket, so I am trying to replace it by, so we can do it 2.2 or minimum of 2 inches, right? But not up to 2.5 for the up pocket notching, so for the drafting of the waistline. So here, after which you stitch it down from that very point, then you're now going to trim off the excesses alongside the lining and everything. So once you trim it out, this is what you will have. It will come out in this form, and you're done fixing your front pockets of your kids trouser, right? So let's do the second one and come back to it.